Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, we are unpacking again ngale stories kasenzo meyiwa nje around stories sakhe, how we have fun ourselves. Sifeel ukuthi mara is this even fair? Ukuthi umntana abantu ashone but angaze ngempela ukuthi how are we going to solve this problem? Abantu babe nayo endlini but abakhulumi izinto eziphelele. Nomthokozisi nje ayi mina yazi uyangidisappointa usedlala umshololo nje naye useyadelela udefensive ngale ndlela ufila nje ukuthi you know what ngiyekeleni phansi mina what must happen if statement kangisibhale ngale ndlela engisibhale ngayo and then years later if izinto they have changed angazi ukuthi who are they trying to protect because now he says yena is not really trying to protect anyone angeke aza protect umuntu ngoba usenzo moya kwakumngani wakhe. Why would you do that over me? You understand? But manje, there's just been a lot, guys. It's so frustrating, this case. At times, you're just like, what has happened here? What is going on? Abantu baqamba amanga. Even him umthokozisi manje like uqamba amanga. Uzandile Khumalo uqamba amanga kanani to the states. And one of the legal experts was saying ukuthi as in you are lying to us. It's not gonna end well. Angazi ukuthi why are people not speaking? Like ulongwe sometimes I really believe ukuthi naye una something inomthelela somewhere. It's just a lot of things. Wabaleka washona phi ke mthozisi. Weqa uthango weqega ithina encane wayongena kancashi ngapha next door. Are you like serious? Hi, I didn't meet anyone in the street. Umshololo embuza. Why shame? It's a lot. And at the same time, nabo umshololo bameli igebengu. Those people, they do look like thugs and criminals to me. I really don't know why are we even defending labo bantu ngemali yethu tax. Imali state okuqala laba khokhelwa ngayo those lawyers ukuthi bazokhulunyelwa. Bayigebengu abantu. At the end of the day, some of them are really skebengus. Hi, it's a lot this thing. Ngapha uzandi akadeleli lo sisi lo she doesn't know when to stop. She doesn't know when to stop. Thina besikuthuluma indaba kakheli ukuthi ukhanseli nayo sethakanandaba ziyiphukuphuku. I'm just like ubani iphukuphuku nezidwanyampuphu ngoba izidwanyampuphu wena girl. You don't know when to stop. You always talking and your sister uhlakaniphile akakhulumi. Ngoba at the end of the day these things zonke zizodlula uzowathola lama gigs wena uzothola yipi gig ngoba nje wena uqala you've done just one song really naleli linye lenze ngabumi engalifaka la YouTube yami ngifeel ukuthi nje like why like ukhuluma ngani uyeyisa uyadelela wadelela uzodelela ngisho usililo make kancube wena hayi wena shame uyeyisa sisters bandla cha you don't know when to stop. Awufundiswa nganayo nje imfundiso at all. Manje usubiza abantu ngezihlama. I'm just like, really, sissy? You need to calm down, bro. This is not about you. Bekudaba kakheli usethi nathi singenela. And those are not the things uyibhala ku-Instagram. Ubhala ku-Instagram izinto enje. Hayi sisters, you need to stop. Ayinale case guys, hayi ngiyakutshela mfana. So ke sibone kodwa this week guys how it turns out. But nje ama-contradictions abantu bashintsha iy'tori. Fine, it's been years. I did say mangiqala futhi ukuripotha ngale nto last month ukuthi fine, it's been years and years but I mean 8 years later awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani into encane kangaka yenze kanje in one night. Hayi fane kwakukhona notshwala-ke involved here but I'm just like kwakuphuzwa kuyothengwa umshololo yabuza so nahamba ngayothenga yesahamba I'm just like Mthokozisi. Hi guys, who are we protecting here? Ubani owabulala uSenzo? Who fired the shots? Pen. It's been the hardest thing though. Asigijima sema park like why? How did we get to the park? Singakazi ukuthi ubani wabulala uSenzo. Hayi umntana abantu ohlukumezeka shame. Hayi meyiwazi. Hayi. Have had the most I must say ngapha hayi noKelly babe wayengathandwa uKelly babe uMandisa wayefuna umshaya nayo noKelly noZandi futhi babe busy futhi noMandisa nabangani bakhe. I'm just like asingeni nowhere lapho. This is about Senzo. Who killed him? Guys ngeke. It's a lot guys. When are we gonna get justice for umntana abantu? Hayi ngeke phela ijaji nje kodwa ngiyalibona liyabukela mfana liyabhala ke futhi phansi. I'm just like, yabona lo uyasho about these inconsistencies. Bazongitshela kahle ukuthi ubani wabulala isenzo. Thank you guys for watching my channel. What's the tea? Siyahlaziya. I really appreciate you guys so much. And makhona itori guys that you want me to cover, please email me on my email address. Ngizoyilinka email address in most of my videos. Ni check ngizolonge ngiyifaka. Yeah, I apologize for that because sometimes angiyifaki, but I'm going to put both my email addresses. Thank you.